Rasulullah ﷺ, when he was going through karb. What does karb mean? Sadness, there is grief, there is anxiety. The maximum, the extreme of that is called karb. This is the dua. La ilaha illallah al-azim al-halim. La ilaha illallah Rabbul Arsh al-Azim. La ilaha illallah Rabbus Samawat wa Rabbul Ard wa Rabbul Arsh al-Karim. Al-Azim, the greatest. Al-Halim is the one who delays the punishment. La ilaha illallah Rabbul Arsh al-Azim. He is the Rabb of the greatest throne. La ilaha illallah, again more confirmation. Rabbus Samawat. He is the Rabb of all the heavens. Wa Rabbul Ard. Wa Rabbul Arsh al-Karim. Say this dua and then mention your haja. Allah, cure me. Ya Allah, cure my mother. Ya Allah, cover my debt. Ya Allah, guide my son. Ya Allah, guide my daughter.